Hello all, Jyoti here from Sri Purnima. Very good morning. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. So today we are coming up with some two collections. Okay, 7 sarees in muslin cotton. Okay, and 3 sarees in normal silk cotton sarees. So shipping, we will be shipping all over India and also worldwide. Also, shipping charges for singles is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra applicable to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. Okay. So for example, if you are ordering within Tamil Nadu, it's 60 rupees for shipping. So if a product is some say 800, so 800 plus 60 plus 100 is the COD charges. So that's how you have to calculate the COD charges. Shipping charges and the COD processing charges is completely different. Okay, don't confuse with those things. So we will be going with the sarees now. Okay. So the first one we are going to see is muslin cotton. Okay, the fabric is muslin cotton. It's like any other normal cotton, but the quality will be different. It's not much transparent and all. It will be very soft, okay, and also very durable. It has the silver checks. You can able to see. You have a double lined silver checks and also a fancy butta. It's not peacock butta. You don't have the peacock face and all. It's like the peacock butta. Okay, in the border alone, it's a full silver zari work, and also you have the double lined checks within the sari. The fabric is muslin cotton. Okay, the design is going to be the same, but the colors is different. 7 colors are available. You have a tiny border in the upper end and the butta and border in the lower end. So you have the checked pattern all over the sari. The fabric is muslin cotton. Price is 750. So the first one is peachish red color. Okay, this is the pallu. You have the silver zari pallu. For all the sarees you have the running blouse. The blouse will be the same design as like the saree. Okay, and you have the tassels in the pallu. So this is total of 6.3 meters. The first color we are having is peachish red color. So which color you want, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So this is the first one. It's a peachish red color. So very soft sari, easily you can drape. Okay. So very soft sari. This is how the pleated version will be looking. So you have the silver zari work in the borders. Okay. My silver zari work in the upper end. Okay. And also a bigger border in the lower part. You have the running blouse coming along. So this is the first color, peachish red color. This is how the full sari will be looking. Okay. So it's a pallu. You have the silver work in the pallu as well. So whichever color you want, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned the price detail and also my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp direct link and the catalog link. The WhatsApp catalog has all the collections listed, so you can check there. So this is the next one. It's a baby pink shade. The design is going to be the same for all the sarees. We have 7 colors in this one. The fabric is muslin cotton. It will be very soft. Okay, it can be used as a casual wear and also for some simple function wear. Okay, many of them is opting for Diwali. Okay, simple collections many are asking. So we have brought up this collection for those persons. Okay, any age group can wear it. Okay, it will be very lovely when you drape it. So this is the baby pink color with silver zari work. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it's a baby pink shade. You have a very tiny border in the upper end and a full double lined check and also a silver zari work in the pallu coming with the running blouse. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. It's a baby pink shade. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. So the next one is a pink shade, peach color. Okay, it's full peach shade. So all the sarees has the silver work, silver zari work. So this is a peach shade. Price is 750. 750. Shipping is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. Very soft fabric. You can normal wash it. Okay. Dry wash is not required. You can normal wash. So the next comes the yellow color, a mango yellow color, so this is the next color. Okay, whichever color you want, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150456870. So this is the next one, yellow color. All the sarees has the running blouse. The total length is 6.3 meters. It has the running blouse, same design as like the saree. Okay, you can, if you want, you can match it with other jacquard blouse or something, silver tissue blouse, whatever. So this is a orange shade. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's an orange shade. It will not be transparent. Okay, a light, mild transparency will be there as like the cotton sarees. Okay, it won't be much transparent and all. When you pleat it, it will look very, very elegant. Okay, this can be comfortable for anything. Okay, you can use it for casual wear or simple function wear as well. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's an orange color. So the next one is navy blue shade. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. All the collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. So in the profile, we have the field as WhatsApp catalog in the WhatsApp profile. Okay, so you can verify there all my available collections. So we will be regularly updating that also. So this is navy blue shade. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me for the orders and enquiries. So this is the full look of the saree. You have the running blouse. Okay, the blouse is also having the silver checks along. So you have the tassels as well. And this is the last color in this particular collection, light green color. So the price is 750. The fabric is muslin cotton. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay. So this is the look of the saree, light green with a normal tissue pallu and running blouse. And this is not full peacock. Okay, you don't have the peacock face, but the design is like the peacock. So this is how the design will be there. This is the butta in the border. Okay, along with the double line shakes. Price is 750, shipping extra. So these are the 7 colors we have in the muslin cotton. So next 3 sarees are going to be the silk cotton with printed work and also applique work. So all the design, the floral design is completely printed. Okay, this is the body part and you have the applique work applied in the border and also in the pallu. I will show you the full design now. So very, very premium quality fabric. The fabric will be very, very soft. Okay, it's silk cotton, but it will be very soft, easy to drape again. This has the contrast pallu and contrast blouse piece. The meter is 6.5 meter. So the first one comes with the bottle green with purple shade. So hope you can able to see the applique works in the pallu as well. So you have the border, also the applique work and also the pallu here with the applique work along with the tassels. Okay, and the blouse piece comes with a plain with mild golden zari border. Okay, piping border. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is silk cotton, but the fabric will be very, very premium, very soft as well. So when you drape it, it will be looking very, very soft. Okay, it's easily blendable. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a green with purple combination. Okay, this is the pallu and also the blouse piece. So it's a green shade. Price is 950. Okay, this is the pallu. In the applique flower, you have a mild foil mirror work as well. So this is the first one. It's a green with purple shade. So I'm moving with the next color. These sarees are priced at 950. Okay. So the next one comes with a maroon and black combination. Okay. So just a minute. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, and all over the saree you have the applique work and also the printer work. Full saree is like that. So this is how the saree will be looking. The fabric is silk cotton, priced at 950. Shipping is extra. So this is the saree look. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So this is the last saree for the show. It's a pink with sea green shade. So this is how the saree will be looking, and this is the body part. Okay, I will just show you how the saree will be looking when you put it on you. So this is pink with sea green shade, coming with the contrast to sea green pallu. So this is the full look of the saree. So whichever saree you want, you please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. We have listed all our available collections in the WhatsApp catalog. We will be regularly updating it as well, so you can verify the collections there directly in a single click. So shipping charges is 60 rupees both in Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. Okay, for multiples you can ping with me and ask the details. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra applicable to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So these are the collections we have for today. Please like and follow our page, so we will be coming up with plenty of new and different collections as well. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.